Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create an illustration slide that we use for making slide presentations with the Army of Youth by using the template slide. So as you can see, this is the template, and what an illustration slide is it's just a picture. There's no verse on the slide. There's no text, nothing, and the purpose is to trigger the imagination to help the audience visualize the concept that's being taught. So a lot of us are visual learners. I know I am, and when I see a picture, I really um, the the what is being said is really it really takes a hold of my mind, and it makes a bigger impression on what is trying to be said. So we like to use a lot of illustration slides in in the in these while we're making these slides. So for this example, I am going to go to the sloppy list, um, and I am going to use number 8, which is the place where our bones break. The body makes that place the strongest. The bones never break in the same place twice. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to oops, uh, copy this, and I am going to put it, highlight everything, and press Control Shift V. There you go. So oftentimes, um, also when there's a quote, and we usually we just put it in the speaker notes as well. So okay, so we got this on here, and now what I usually do is we like to keep the speaker notes short and to the point so that the presenter will know exactly what to say. So they're kind of like bullet points. And the reason, all right, yeah, I got that. And now what I'm going to be showing you is how I find pictures for the illustration slides. A lot of times what you can do is use Unsplash. Unsplash has very high quality pictures, and they are public domain photos. So I am going to use Unsplash for this one. And what we are trying to illustrate is the place where our bones break, the body makes that place the strongest. So I'm going to put a picture of a broken bone. So we can just type that in, broken bone. Search it, and we look for landscape photos because they're easier to use. Easier to use in in the slide presentations. These are really hard to put in photos, put in the slide. So this one looks really good. As you can see, the bone is pretty broken. So I'm going to press copy the image. I'm going to go here, and I am going to delete this current picture and press Control V to paste that picture that we copied. And as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. So what I'm going to do is double tap the image and crop it a little bit. There you go. And then once you click out of it, oh, that might be a little bit too much. Let me see. Yeah. All right, so we got that. So double tap the image again. It lined up here, but it didn't line up here. And once you see that blue line on the right, that means it's like perfectly lined up. So there you go. So we got the picture in here. And another place where you can find photos is if you press insert, you can go to image and search the web. This is what I do a lot of times. A lot of times the pictures aren't as high quality, but they still work. So, broken bone. Okay. Um, and there's a lot of pictures that you can go through. Um, I don't know. Sometimes the pictures aren't the greatest. Oh, you see the same picture. So what I do is if you just want to see the photo, just click that the magnifying glass, and it pops up, and then you just press insert and do the same thing. So that works as well. Um, all right. So I think that is about it. Sometimes what I like to do is, because this is sometimes the speaker notes seem a little bit out of context. I like to put like the reason why this is in the outline. I like to put that in the speaker notes as well. Um, so the place where our bones break, the body makes that place the strongest. And the reason why it's in here is because of it turn your current weakness into your greatest strength. So you can put that in here as well. Your current weakness into your greatest strength. All right. I'm actually going to put that or Control V. And then speaker notes, I like to leave spaces. And also weakness. And also, what if there are any quotes, you put them in the speaker notes, and the presenter references them as well. So I think that's about it for this illustration slide. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for making slide presentations. It is these visual illustrations really help to bring it into the minds of the people what we're trying to do. So God bless, and thanks so much for watching and creating video slide presentations for the Army of Youth.